Hi all, welcome to Octane training video. This is Jairam. Today I'm going to walk you through how to track your demand. So let's get started. First you have to log in into the tool. Since I'm already logged in, so I'm on this screen. What you need to do is you need to go on a team backlog to track your demand. So generally what happen that whether it's a planned or unplanned. If it is already planned, then go on a team backlog. If it is not planned, then go on a backlog item. So I'm here in a team backlog. My demand is already planned in a various sprint. I wanted to track that demand, like which all the task has been started, not started, and you know all its status. A very common functionality which actually every Scrum Master or the product owner want to use it very frequently. So what we'll do in a team backlog, we have a filter like release and then team. So if you wanted to have this like in a release badge or team badge, then go ahead and select those team. If not, then select all release, all team. It will give you the result of across team, across release, and apply a filter over here. So I'm adding a filter. Select feature and then select the demand number whichever you want to track it out. So for example, for the demo purpose, I'm selecting this DM 14222 and click on OK. The moment click on OK, you will be able to see that all the tasks associated with the month is listed over here. So whether it's a, since we are on a backlog item, so we have all the user story, all this defect and everything listed over here. If you see, these are the ID, these are the application impacted. US means user story, so these are the user story. D stand for the defect, so these are the defects basically associated with this demand. UAT items, and then again defect during the SIT and all. In the same view, you will be able to see who is the owner, how many story pointers that they have, what are the current phase. So see, these are the new. New means these items the user story yet not started, and these are the sprint. So we selected like across release across team. So that's what is giving you the across sprint like 4, 7, whatever. And then we have estimated hour, invested hours, and then remaining hours. So that way you will be able to see how what is the total estimated hours for the demand and how many burned and how many left. So these are the view basically important to track your demand. If you want to have a look on any specific item, click on these IDs and you will be able to see that. So that's all. Thanks for watching.